Is it really early? Yes. I'm very tired and very pregnant. Yes. Did I promise to show you how to make homemade yogurt this morning? Also, yes. The Instant Pot is one of my favorite kitchen tools. Now, do you have to have it to make yogurt? No. Does it make it easier? Yes. Just side note, I love them so much that I actually have 4, and this one's going right now, and it has homemade broth in it. Now that I've shared that you don't need an Instant Pot, let me share the things that you do need. Something to cook it in. You need a thermometer. You need yogurt starter of some sort. I hide some in the back of my fridge so that my kids can't find it. And you need milk. Depending on how much you're making is how much milk you're going to need. Most typically my batches, I'm going to do a gallon of milk. You can use any type of milk. I've used raw milk, I've used whole milk, I've used anything that I've had. A gallon of whole milk usually gives me about 3 quarts of yogurt and 24 to 32 ounces of whey. Your yogurt is always going to be thicker than what your milk was, and you're always going to get more whey whenever you have a higher percentage of milk fat. Pour your milk into your container. If you do use an Instant Pot, you're then going to hit yogurt and you're going to hit it to where it says boil. Pop in your thermometer and either use your thermometer for stirring or you can use a spoon or spatula. Notice that I said very slowly, and in fact, if you're using the Instant Pot and you're using the yogurt boil function, it is a very slow rise in heat. It is actually slower than saute. What I normally do is I normally get to about 120 to 140, and then I take it off the yogurt boil function and I put it on saute because I don't want to go from cold milk to really hot milk. So I'm slowly bringing it up. No matter if you have the Instant Pot or not, you want to slowly bring up the milk, stirring it to make sure that there's no scalding on the bottom. After letting it reach 180, take it off the heat source and let it cool to 110 to 120. Then mix in your starter yogurt. I use a half cup for a gallon of milk. Some people only use a few tablespoons. It doesn't really matter. Most of yogurt is a waiting game, so then you're going to put it back in your Instant Pot if you have one and put it on the yogurt function. Otherwise, you're going to cover it, wrap it in a towel, and put it in your oven. Depending on how thick and or tangy you like it is how long you'll leave it. So this could be anywhere between 4 hours and 12 hours. Then to give it that nice thick and creamy consistency, you're going to strain it and you're going to leave it in your refrigerator. This is also what gives us that beautiful whey that we can use for so many different things, like fermenting oatmeal in bread or putting it in smoothies. And the last step is most crucial. Don't forget to set aside a reserve of your cultured yogurt so that you can make more in the future. If you have any questions, let me know.